Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. This is your Barry. Today is all about soaking up the weekend vibes and making a splash with some awesome friends. I've got John, Sujit, Loki, Krishna right here with me. We're super excited to take you along on our weekend swimming adventure. It's all about fun, laughter, and creating memories. So, we've got our swim gear on, and the water is calling our names. Let's dive in and see what this weekend has in store for us. Woohoo! The water feels amazing. Are you ready for some underwater shenanigans? Absolutely. And hey, if you're watching this, consider this your invitation to join us virtually. Imagine you're right here with us, feeling the cool water and the warmth of the sun. Diving and swimming can refer to the specific technique of entering the water headfirst. Proper diving involves a combination of body position, arm movements, and coordination to ensure a safe and efficient entry. Here's a basic guide on how to perform a dive. 1. Body position. Stand on the edge of the pool with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight and tall, with your arms extended overhead. 2. Focus on hand placement. Clasp your hands together, with arms fully extended and biceps close to your ears. Your hands should form a streamlined position, minimizing resistance as you enter the water. 3. Feet placement. Point your toes and keep your feet close together. For a forward dive, position one foot slightly in front of the other. 4. Bend at the hips. Lean forward at the hips while maintaining a straight back. Engage your core to create a streamlined position. 5. Perform a controlled jump. Push off the pool deck with both feet simultaneously. Use your legs to propel yourself forward and upward. Aim to jump out and away from the pool edge to avoid collisions. 6. Arm movement. As you jump, swing your arms forward and down in a circular motion. This helps in generating momentum and balance. 7. Tuck or extend. Depending on the type of dive, you may need to tuck into a somersault or extend your body for a streamlined entry. Follow the specific dive style guidelines for tucking or extending your body. 8. Spot your entry point. Keep your eyes on the water and identify your entry point. This helps in maintaining a straight trajectory and reduces the risk of misjudging the dive. 9. Entry into the water. Enter the water headfirst with your arms stretched out in front. Aim to achieve a clean and splash-free entry. 10. Practice safety. Never dive into shallow water. Ensure the area is clear of other swimmers. Only attempt dives that are appropriate for your skill level. Remember, safety is paramount when diving. Always adhere to pool rules and guidelines, and if you're uncertain about your diving abilities, seek guidance from a qualified instructor.
ಆನೆ ಬಂತೊಂದಾನೆ ಎವಡಿ ಬಾರಜ
ಸರಿ ಬಿತ್ತಾ ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ನೋ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರೋದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೋ ಯಾರದು ನೋಡ್ದ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೇದೊಂದು ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಶಾಕ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗುರು ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಶವ ಸೆವೆನ್ ಬೇರೆ ನಾವೇನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮೆ ಇದ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಭೂಷಣ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಭೂಷಣ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ
And now, it's time for a little friendly competition. Let's see who reaches the other end of the pool first. After all the excitement, sometimes you just need to float and relax. It's the perfect way to unwind and enjoy the moment.
Okay. ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೆಲದ ತನಕ ಓಕೆ 1 2 3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ டைவ் தெரியாம வெயிட் once more
Thanks for joining us on this fantastic weekend swimming adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next escapade. Until next time, stay awesome and keep making waves. See you in the next one.